Hello everyone, let's create our first GitHub repository. For that we click here and simply without a little waiting, you see it wants a name and the owners. If you have too many accounts, it show all of them here, but because one of our accounts is logged in here, it show us this account. We set a name, for example, first project. Or let's go with the thing we are going to create, Lightner box. I'm writing it wrong. Let's go by first project. And then it asks you that the repository is going to be public or private. What is the difference between public or private? When your repository is public, everyone can see the changes and use them and copy your code and use them in their program and have them change them, modify them by the way they want. But the important difference about public and private is that when you use public, your project, it has some benefits and some disadvantages. Disadvantages are that the people can copy and use your code, but for someone this is advantage. It's also dependent, but it has many more advantages, like that the people who interested in your project can help you, debug you, so maybe they comment you and want to help you on your project. And always there are some nice people that help you fix your project and improve your coding performance. But we are going to go with public, and as a matter of fact, I tell you, we have 100 million projects on repository on GitHub, and 30% of them are public, and it's very good. You can use them. You can add this README file. It's for another person when they want to cooperate with you. It gave us the data they need to learn about your project, but not now. We are not going to use them. And about gitignore and license, we are going to learn in the next video. Until then, let's create the repository here. You can also put a description here on what you are doing, but we don't write description this time. Let's wait a little. Oh, it's wanted description, I think. Oh, it don't want. After creating that, we will learn the GitHub. Give me a comment to push your project or connect our repository to the GitHub and use them, or also invite collaborator or set up GitHub Copilot. We are going to learn about these things in the next video. Until then, have a nice